Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to merge PowerPoint files into one. First, open your main PowerPoint presentation where you want to merge the other files. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Look for the New Slide button in the Slides group. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it. From the drop-down menu, select Reuse Slides. A panel will open on the right side of the screen. In the Reuse Slides panel, click on the Browse button and select Browse File. Locate the PowerPoint you want to merge with your main presentation and click Open. You will see the slides from the selected file appear in the Reuse Slides panel. You can click on individual slides to insert them one by one. If you want to insert all the slides, right-click on any slide and select Insert All Slides. Once all the slides are inserted, you can arrange them by dragging and dropping them in the slide thumbnail pane on the left side of the screen. Finally, review your combined presentation to ensure everything is in the correct order and formatted properly, and you're done. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.